were the world's first superhero. I gotta say, it's an honor to meet you, officially. I sort of met you. I mean, I watched you while you were sleeping. I mean, I was present while you were unconscious from the ice. You know, it's just a huge honor to have you on board.
Coulson was gonna swoon. Did he ask you to sign his Captain America trading cards yet?
Trading cards. Move away, please.
These were in Phil Coulson's jacket. Guess he never did get you to sign them. We're dead in the air up here.
Сколько бы я не просил, но ты же знала, что меня теряла. Я босиком по стеклам.